Hello all. I hope now you guys can hear me. Those who joined chat, please type W or type anything like your name, so I know you guys have joined. This stream is just to show you guys the mistake I was making in developing the hardware. I've corrected it now, and I have built the circuit taken my time. I've taken my time to build the circuit and with the kit I suggested you guys, since it has all the things on board. Now it's working just fine, um, and that's essentially because my hardware, my breadboard wasn't working fine, and now it's working fine. I had to show you how it's operational. So those who are joining the chat now, I request all of you to type your name or just type hi in the chat or type W, so I know you guys are there. Let me see if I can squeeze the camera. So I just wanted to recommend you to make your mic a bit louder. Well, this is the loudest I can get, because I have a professional studio microphone, and I am leaning towards my microphone now to speak, which is a bit harder for me to do. Um, I hope now I'm audible. Okay. Well, I am trying my best, to do this stream. Besides, leaning towards the microphone to just speak some words. See what else I can do. Still not into the screen. A little bit more. So I have taken my time to debug the circuit and do everything else. Um, and now, since I have done everything that was necessary, I found out what issues I was making. So let me turn on my camera and show it to you guys. Um, by the way, my connections are still messy, and forgive me for that. But I'll show you what I can. So it's a bit harder for me to do, but still I'll do it for you guys. Let me turn on my camera and my flash. Let me know when it's visible. This is it's it's kind of corrupted now. I have reset the circuit. Let me do it again. So there are some loose connections still, but it works fine now. So I have made use of this board, and there are a bunch of wire coming on, from this board to the LCD screen, and it's much harder for me to do over here, because um, I'm not into prototyping nowadays, so that's the main issue. Um, but now, since we have got the program, we can play with the program, display anything of our own choice. Um, Let me reset the circuit once again so you guys know. Yeah, so it's operating the same way as you can see in this Proteus. Let me restart the Proteus once again. See, it takes its time to display everything. Let me turn this on again. It takes its time, just like the simulation. So simulation is an essential part of getting started with the prototyping. So I have connected the V0 pin, the V0 pin, with the ground, and this is how it works. The display is pretty nice, still it's decent. And when you connect it to a 1K resistor, then it's much easier to to see through this display. But I have tried it using 2.2k register, and it works well with 2.2k register. I'm not going to mess this thing up because there are a bunch of wires coming on from the board to the LCD, and if I move it a bit, even a bit, it will mess the the whole thing up, and certainly I don't want that. This is what I wanted to show you guys, and um, let's do one thing. Let's change it a bit. Let's change my name. Let's change it to let's change it to someone else's name. Tell me in chat. What shall I put over there? What shall I put over? Please hurry. Please hurry. Quickly tell me what shall I write over here on the screen. Please hurry. Type in chat. What shall I write on the screen? Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Hello world is just fine. Let's write hello world, which is the it's kind of the standard of the industry nowadays. Let me open up my program, which I accidentally lost because I turned off my laptop. Let me open it first, and then hopefully we'll get somewhere. Yeah, so I've opened it now. Is it opened? Cannot read. There is some issue with my program file. Let's create another one. Let's just open it up, copy the program, and there is some issue with my the Keil version. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to create another file quickly, and just bear with me for a while. New program. I'm going to do it quickly. LCD new. I'm gonna rename it 89C51 and quickly select it. Enter. Yes, I want that. Yes, I want to override that. Okay, okay, got it. Yeah. Okay, and I want an assembly file over here. I want LCD underscore prog this time. Okay, got it, and close this thing up. The old program. Close. Yeah. And now what the thing left is, oh shit. No. Right. My laptop charging is not working, so that why that's why I had to run away just to check for the charging port. Double one 10592 X. I want that, and now go, and that's done. Okay, now I'll write hello world over here instead of radioactive engineer. I don't want that. I want HELLO, and now I want space W. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's write hello in one line and world in another. So how I'll do that is I'll copy this thing till hello, and the end subroutine should be always, it should be, can you guys see it? The end subroutine should be data write. So once you write this data to accumulator, you have to send it to the port as well. So that's why you have to make sure that end subroutine is always data write command function. So hello, and then we'll have to write world, WORL. What's that? L and D. Here we go. Now what we have to do is to clear all of these things. Where Okay, so it's done. I believe it's done. Let's compile this program and test. First of all, let's test it out in Proteus. Stop this program, run it again. Oh, yeah. So it's using the previous hex file. Let me turn this on. Walaikum salam. Oh, Bakhtar Rahman is back. Guys, Bakhtar Rahman is back. Okay. Let me upload the new file. The new and okay. Load. There you go. Hello world. And what if we want to display it right in the middle? Let me go back. Oh no, my laptop charges. Oh, we have a load shedding, guys. That's all for now. My laptop is turning off, and I hope you guys understood now how it works. So peace out. Thank you.